Bosentan. The other day we were discussing pulmonary hypertension in our medicine class. Endothelin antagonist. Pulmonary hypertension is one of the top topics for the MD entrance, doctor. Pulmonary embolism, pulmonary hypertension, primary pulmonary hypertension, pathophysiology of pulmonary hypertension, everything you must be very sure. Different analogues of prostaglandins which we use. So what is your answer? Endothelin antagonist. Very good. I am happy Nina, who attended the class, pulmonary hypertension, has correctly answered. Endothelin antagonist. Toll-like receptors. What are they very important for? Who will give me the correct answer? Typically, whenever a microbial organism comes, body should recognize that it is a microbe, not our own cell. It is D. It is the most important receptor for the microbial products so that our body can initiate an acute inflammation. What is meant by dark ground microscopy? Fundamentally, it's called dark ground because is it the scattered light or transmitted light which will illuminate the object? It's a little tricky question. 105. What is our online students? Let us knock their door for the answer. Yes, that's right. It is suitable for slender organisms like spirochetes. Everyone will agree. This is a dark field condenser with a central circular stop to illuminate the object, which is also true. So 105 Amrita also proposes D. It is not the transmitted light which is used to illuminate the object like the regular microscope is what need to be remembered. Haemophilus influenza has no role in classical answer. In case of croup, croup is mostly viral. Laryngotracheo bronchitis is called croup, is mostly viral. So it is the para-influenza virus, not Haemophilus influenza, is what need to be remembered. Which is not epidemiological trend? LKG question. Socio-economic status is not. With regard to epidemic, what it is, suddenly examiner will loosen the belt so that you can start gliding easier. Yes. It is typically high occurrence unusually of a disease in a population is called as epidemic. Then adequate pasteurization, when do you call it as? No confusion between C and D, which is correct. Is it 0 in 1 ml or 100 in 1 ml? D? Why? C you are angry about? 0 E. coli is important for you to call it as adequate pasteurization. 109, that's right. So, how much hectares should be there? Once more lottery question. Because you never guessed these numbers in the exam hall. Huh? 2? I know 2 is 2, you said 4. Because he said 2, you don't want to say 3. What do you say? 2? 110. Who will answer correctly? Give me one Harrisonian or a Davidsonian answer. Very basic question asked by the old medicine professor in the ward rounds. Nina says B, Amrita says D. Why you are all angry about C, which is my answer? Huh? So, scleral icterus indicates at least 3 milligram per deciliter. Lottery questions are always lottery. Now, chronic myeloid leukemia, what you don't do for the evaluation of it? We don't do HLA typing. If you do HLA typing, patient will get a doubt. This fellow has got some tie-up with the transplantation fellows. Even before my diagnosis is also not very clear, he is planning of BMT. So, Dabigatran, our favorite question. Dabigatran, Argobatran is what? Oral thrombin inhibitor. Excellent. You will remember me in tomorrow's APPG exam hall, doctor. streptokinase or heparin or thrombin inhibitors or warfarin. Without that, there is no APPG paper. Paper out. You can be very clear. Today only go back. Probably already you are expertise in this topic. Without that, there is no paper. Any entrance you go. Heparin like agents, differences between low molecular weight, unfractionated, everything you must read. Then streptokinase, thrombolytic agents, TPA, which is thrombus specific, which is not, etc. Then warfarin, you must be sure, and aspirin and other clopidogrel is there, no? Their mechanism, 100% you should be sure. Okay. Then that's very good. I am happy to know that most of you answered it correctly as thrombin inhibitor. If there is a diastolic dysfunction of left ventricle, will brady or tachy, which will give more time for the heart coronaries to get filled with blood? If there is a bradycardia, there is a longer diastolic time available during which filling of the coronaries occur. So bradycardia will improve, not tachycardia. Hence we give the agents which will control the rate. Now vitamin A deficiency, this is another very difficult nut to crack kind of a question. Already xerophthalmia has developed. Once it is developed, you want to give oral vitamin A or oral syrup or IM injection. Only forget about the dosages there. Tablet, syrup or injection. You want to jump an injection. What is the recommendation? No. What is the recommendation given by WHO? Did they say injection? For xerophthalmia, dry eye, WHO recommends 2 lakh international units by mouth immediately on diagnosis, 2 lakh following day, then 2 lakh prior to discharge, or if clinical deterioration occur after 2 to 4 weeks later. And there is a vitamin A deficiency not involving xerophthalmia without corneal clouding, then what will you give? 1 lakh by mouth or injected into the muscle daily for 3 days. So that is the reason daily by mouth immediately at diagnosis. Tablets are very much recommended, right? So I doubt whether these are the same units given in the exam or not, but anyway. Now there is a focal lesion. There is a focal lesion which is causing itch touch on the surrounding areas, conducted by non-itch fibers, but centrally interpreted as a itch. What is this typically called as? It's called as allokinesis typically. In a knee joint, if there is a narrowing of the joint space, what is your diagnosis? Simple question. Osteoarthritis. Osteosarcoma has a variable consistency on the various parts of it. Classical question. I'll try to run little fast. Staging of the carcinoma of the breast. See, we have answered COMEDK paper, we have answered any paper you go. Without staging carcinoma of breast, there is no question paper. So what is your answer? Typically tumor which is present in the breast and actually lymph nodes are involved is called as the stage 2 of the carcinoma of the breast. Bilateral undescended testis, no big challenge. Typically patient is going to be sterile. Sequestra is chronic osteomyelitis. I will run through the answers because time is very short. Multidirectional instability is due to the ligamental laxity. Micropsia, this is a little challenging question because the frame of the question is really not correct. Because retinal edema, corneal edema or visual cortical lesion, anything can lead to development of micropsia. That's the reason A, B, D, all the 3 are correct. Dysodia means what? Classically, it is that functional weakness of the voice in the presence of a normal organ is called as dysodia. Non-stress test way, what is the importance of beat to beat heart rate variability? It should be there. If it is there, it is normal. If it is missing, then it is abnormal. So answer is A. Then Q-tip cotton swab test. When will you do? Suppose if you are suspecting that there is a loss, anatomical loss of the angle between urethra and the bladder neck in genine stress incontinence, where the angle is more than 30 degrees, then we do, this is 10 degrees, this is 45 degrees. So Q-tip cotton swab test is used in genine stress incontinence is what need to be remembered. Skin around umbilicus is basically T10 anterior cutaneous branches, no big challenge. Very low activity of adenosine deaminase is what you see in case of severe combined immunodeficiency. This you give me one confident answer, doctor. Let me see. Ellis Kiran. Huh? Renin inhibitor. Favorite question of the previous question? Should be. Huh? Very good. Then apoptosis. We told no, BAC's bad back genes. Pro-anti-apoptotic factors. What are the cycles of mechanisms of apoptosis? Everything you must be sure. 3-4 pages in Robbins pathology. It's worth reading because 1 out of 5 questions. Tomorrow's exam, when apoptosis comes, you will remember me. So it is not always pathological, even physiological phenomena also are apoptotic. Cervical oncogenesis, we need HPV 16 and 18. For diphtheria, what do we use, doctor? Quick answer. Low flares, serum slope is what need to be remembered. Deaths per 1000 population is basically called as crude death rate. It is not 100. If you are thinking 100 or 1000, 100 or 1000 in exam means you are too late for this entrance and too early for the next. So, PHCs versus tertiary care hospital. You found that there are greater number of deaths in tertiary care than PHCs, hence PHC is safer. What is this kind of association called as? Spurious association. You took coaching and you got the seat does not mean coaching helped to really get the seat. Probably coaching has wasted your time and made you lose the seat. So, spurious associations. It is the difficult cases which will go to tertiary hospital. They are more vulnerable to die. So that is the reason there is no, that is not the way we can conclude that tertiary hospitals are better, worse than primary. That's right. In KFD, who is the main reservoir, doctor? Confident answer. I know what is the tempting answer, wrong answer you are going to give me. Give me quickly your answer. Quickly, KFD, we all read that. Quick answer. Come up with the answer. You said B. A. Monkey. No, sir. I thought some common wrong answer. Let me check whatever online students are saying. 134. Amrita proposes humans. No, sir. We are not the reservoir. Our younger brothers, monkeys are also not the reservoir. Rats and squirrels are the most important reservoir of it in the wildlife.